Hello everyone. I'm going to do a quick video on how you make the olive tea. We not using the dry one. We're going to use the fresh leaf. So let's go pick some olive leaves. We had a couple of trees, probably 2.5 years ago. We grow them. So right now, I think they few years old. Um, they grow very well in the Florida condition. You know, we have hot summer and a little rain during the month of August. But technically, you know, they grow very well. So we're gonna pick some fresh leaf. Yeah, the olive leaves have a high antioxidant and also a high in vitamin A, B, C, D, you know, Sarah, stuff like that. So yeah, we pick some more so we can make the tea. These are the fresh leaf. All right. Most of the time when I do the tea, I'll cut the leaves, small pieces. Alright, this is the hot water. We're going to make tea. Alright, first of all, you need the teapot and teacup. This is a teapot. I'm going to put the olive leaf in the teapot first. I'm going to put all of them in the pot. This is the hot water. If you don't have time, you're able to just use the microwave to heat your water up. Like, you know, put a cup in the microwave for like a minute, and then you have hot water. Let me see. All right, good enough. Maybe a little bit more. And now we wait for 10 minutes, and then we able to enjoy the tea. So Yeah, don't put too much water, just a little bit, like this. So we wait for another 10 minutes and then we try the tea. Alright, 10 minutes passed. Let's enjoy the tea. So this is the olive tea, fresh. One for me, one for cameraman. What you laughing at? Alright. It's pretty hot though. Wow. Ooh. Yeah, the tea have very high antioxidants, a lot of good stuff in it. So once a day is the best for us, for our health too. This is the tea. If you want to enjoy your fresh olive tea, the best way you have to grow your own tree. The olive tree is very drought tolerant. They live by 1,000 years. So you know it's a tree that's hard to kill. So that's the best way. Just grow one in your backyard or your gardens. Alright, so that's how you make the fresh olive tea from the fresh olive leaves. So simple, just have your own tree and then you have your tea almost every day. Alright, thank you for watching and see you.